him, he stands up and responds in the most extraordinary manner. Like the Honorable Prime Minister says, the victory is a result of सबका प्रयास. माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से लेकर जो गांव में एक आशा वर्कर थी, this victory and this success goes to the common Indian who came together unitedly to fight this battle. The entire country came as one. However, all of us are aware that during the most difficult of times, when the entire nation came together, the opposition displayed to the country and to the world that they are morally bankrupt, they are vicious, and that they place the interests of their petty politics over the interest of the country. I do not want to go into the details that have been already repeated by earlier members. But sir, I just want to bring to the attention of this nation through the medium of this august house, the viciousness, the pettiness, the absolute moral bankruptcy that this country's opposition displayed. Our honorable member from the Congress party earlier was mentioning that Rahul ji was warning the country through his tweets that there will be an economic tsunami, that there will be millions of deaths, that this is a virulent virus. I say this with extreme frustration that Rahul Gandhi does not sound like a responsible leader of the opposition. He sounds more like a doomsday predicting witch doctor. And this is, it's a matter of utter shamefulness that this country's opposition has behaved in the most petty manner at a time when the country was facing a grave national crisis. So let us take the example of vaccination. बहुत सारे बात opposition parties ने बताया आज. From the day the vaccine issue was started in this country, the debate started. Every single leader of the opposition party, the important leaders of the Congress party, did their best to create vaccine hesitancy in the country. अखिलेश यादव ने बोला, दानिश जी आप उत्तर प्रदेश से आते हैं, बीजेपी वैक्सीन कहा गया. I do not want to go into the details of the tweets that educated members like Shashi Tharoor ji, Chidambaram ji, the kind of vaccine hesitancy their tweets created. What did elected members, health ministers in Chhattisgarh, the elected health minister of Chhattisgarh created vaccine hesitancy in Chhattisgarh. Sir,
please avoid the...
Sir, when you have made accusations, have the gumption to sit and take a reply. Have the gumption to sit and take a reply.
Honorable member, please address to chair. Kindly avoid the controversy.
Sir, vaccine के ऊपर इतना
kindly avoid the controversy. Please address to chair. Please sit down.
We are the only developing country in the world which has not one but two made in India vaccines. And sir, it is a testimony to the strength of India's scientific community.
Kindly avoid the controversy, please.
Sir, when the accusation is political, the answer has to be political, sir.
No.
Sir.
No, this is a COVID pandemic. You have to stick on the pandemic.
Speaker, sir. Our country, अरे दानिश जी सुनिए ना, दानिश जी बैठिए सुनिए, मैं आपका पूर्ण भाषण सुना था.
दानिश जी, please wait.
Sir,
please.
Sir,
we have a limited time.
Sir, I will try to be as brief as possible, sir. But these are answers
only
that young
minutes.
of India must know.
Tell you only 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes, yeah.
टाइम किया था. मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है कि टाइम बढ़ाया दिया
Sir,
जाए.
vaccine hesitancy against India-made vaccine, sir. Sir, discussion was going on about how countries in Africa are passing resolutions today demanding equitable distribution of vaccines. Can you imagine a situation if our scientific community, supported by our Prime Minister, had not come up with 2 indigenous vaccines, 2 made in India vaccines?
1 minute. There is. Honorable members, I have a long list of speakers. If the House agrees to time of this House, maybe extend by another 1 hour.
Thank you,
That
Speaker,
means
sir.
11:03.
Speaker, sir, I do not know what the Congress party has against Made in India vaccines. I understand that they are very adverse to having Made in India leaders in their party, but their hatred towards Made in India vaccines costed the nation very dear, sir. Sir, even today, questions are being raised about the rate of vaccination in India. I just want to present before you and before this House, sir, of how politics has affected pandemic performance in vaccine distribution in the country between BJP ruled states and Congress ruled states. Sir, Himachal Pradesh, 100% first dose vaccination, 91% second dose vaccination. Goa, 100% first dose vaccination, 90% second dose vaccination. Gujarat, 94% first dose vaccination, 70% second dose vaccination. Sir, 7 BJP ruled states has achieved more than 90% first dose vaccination, and 8 of BJP ruled states has got 50% more vaccination. Or suniye Danish ji, suniye, listen to this. While the opposition ruled states, not, sir, this is an interesting, sir, this is an interesting statistic.
You
Not
understood, sir.
one single Congress
understood,
ruled
sir. Please
state,
conclude.
not
Please
one
conclude.
Congress ruled state
Please
has
conclude.
achieved
Conclude.
90% above first dose vaccination
Please
even
conclude.
today.
Yeah, your time
Not
is over.
one,
Please.
sir,
You
not
understood,
one
sir.
opposition
Hey,
party.
Bidurji. Honorable
Sir,
member
not one
Bidurji,
opposition
please.
state.
Danish
Sir.
Ali ji, sit down, sir.
Sir,
Let him complete, please.
Sir.
You sit down, you sit down.
sir,
No, you sit
sir,
down.
please do not count this interruption in my time, sir. Sir, do not
Vidurji.
count this interruption in my time.
Please. Danish Ali ji, please sit down, sit
Sir.
down, sit down. You complete.
Sir,
Please come, continue.
not, I want to repeat this, sir. This should
You
go on
conclude.
record. As on today, sir, there is not one opposition ruled state which has completed 100% first dose vaccination, sir. And
Please
they
con-
blame Narendra Modi government for not vaccinating the country at the fastest pace. Sir, a country of 1 billion people. As we speak today, sir, I want to congratulate Mansukh Mandavia ji, the Honorable Health Minister. The country has completed 125 crore doses of vaccination as we speak today, sir. Congratulations to him. Congratulations to all the frontline workers, sir. Sir,
Okay.
Sir.
You made your point.
sir, at the same time,
Please conclude.
the opposition was deliberately and, dare I say, mischievously opposing everything for the sake of opposing. Lockdown hum kiye, sir. Rahul Gandhi went on the press and said, lockdown is not the solution. When the second lockdown was imposed, he said, lockdown should have been done earlier. सर पीएम केयर्स अपोज किया, लॉकडाउन को अपोज किया, मेड इन इंडिया वैक्सीन को अपोज किया, सेंट्रल विस्टा को अपोज किया, सर वन नेशन वन रेशन कार्ड का भी अपोज हो गया. सर बात आ रही थी कोविन ऐप के बारे में. सर मैं बैंगलोर से आता हूं. बोथ आरोग्य सेतु एंड कोविन ऐप, young engineers from my city, from around the country, contributed to building these technological digital solutions, sir. And today, CoWIN app
Thank
was
you.
made open source. And sir, more than 146 countries drew inspiration and tried to replicate CoWIN app. Sir, this is a matter that Indians should be proud of, sir, of our scientific and technological capability. But the opposition did not enjoy and take part in India's success, sir. Sir, I will come to
Please,
this.
please
sir.
conclude.
Sir, at the peak of, sir, I'll just conclude in 2-3
Please.
minutes.
No,
Sir,
only-
at the peak of India's, at the second
You come
wave.
to final point.
Sir, I will, sir. बहुत सारे बात बोले गए थे, sir.
नहीं,
Sir,
नहीं,
at the peak of India's COVID fight, Rahul Gandhi did a press interview, press conference. Sir, you know what he spoke? These are the words. Modi's image is dead. It is gone. You know what hurts me most, sir? Not that he spoke against our Prime Minister. In a democracy, he can. But while, sir, India and Indians fought against the virus alongside our Prime Minister, Rahul Gandhi chose not to fight the virus, but he chose to fight Narendra Modi. And this shows the pettiness of Congress politics, sir. Sir,
Please conclude.
I want to today ask, the nation wants to know, sir, the nation wants to know.
Please conclude.
If Rahul Gandhi is vaccinated, if yes, which vaccine has he taken? Why has he till now not tweeted about vaccination? Is he not proud of the fact that India has 2 made in India vaccines? Why has he not done it? The nation wants to know this, sir.
Honorable,
Sir, discussion went about oxygen, sir. I just want to spend 10 seconds on oxygen. Sir, one of the most senior respected doctors of this country, Dr. Devi Shetty,